Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program to find the largest number. Let me answer. In order to find the largest number by using a Java program, I have to demonstrate the answer for this question in a practical way. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class, and I'll give some random name, let's say class 3. I'll create a main method inside the class, and inside the main method, I'm going to write the code for finding the largest number. First of all, to find the largest numbers from the given number, I would like to collect these numbers from the user itself. Okay, while running the program, I would like to collect those numbers from which I need to find the largest number from the user itself. For that, I have to write the logic like this. I have to create an object for the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Control Shift O, and this scanner will be automatically imported in Eclipse IDE when you press Control Shift O. Here, I'll say system.in. Okay, system.in. After that, system.out.println, system.out.println, enter the number of numbers. Okay, enter the number of numbers you want to enter, or enter the number of numbers is fine. Okay, then how many numbers you want to enter as an input? We are asking the user. So I'll say int n is equal to scanner dot next int. So here next int method will collect the number of numbers that the user want to enter. And in that number of numbers, okay, in the given numbers, we'll find the largest one. Okay, after this, I'll write the logic like this. For int I is equal to 1, first number, to I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, the user gives the number of numbers as 5. So this for loop will iterate 5 times. And every time it will collect the numbers from the user, 5 numbers from the user. Okay, so here I'll write one more print statement. Enter plus n numbers. So if the user said 5 numbers, means we will ask the user to enter 5 numbers. Whatever the numbers that the user want to enter, we'll ask that user. How we'll capture that? We'll use this for loop. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. If it is n is 5, means 1 to 5, 5 numbers. Okay, for 5 times the for loop will iterate, and here every time it iterates, I'll collect the number from the user. Scanner dot next int like this, I'll collect. So I'll say int number is equal to, okay, whatever the number. And before this for loop, I'll write a logic. I'll create a variable. I'll say int largest. Okay, int largest number, or largest number is equal to, here I'll write a integer wrapper class dot min value. I'll give the minimum value as minimum value as possible here. And now I'll compare this largest number with this number. And if this particular number is largest than the minimest value, okay, then I'm going to assign this number to the largest number. Okay, here I'll write the logic. If this particular number that is entered by the user is greater than the largest number so far, largest number is the minimum value I gave here. It will get the minimum value in Java. It will get, and that minimum value will be first time minimum value that is in the largest number will be compared with the number given by the user. If that particular number is greater than the largest number, then I'll simply say largest number is equal to number. Okay, I'll assign this particular number which is larger than this particular initial number into this largest number, and this loop will iterate until all iterations. And finally, at the end of the loop, whatever the number that stays in this largest number will be the largest number of the given numbers of by the user. Okay, this is the logic, guys. Okay, this is the logic. Here I'll write down largest number entered by user is plus this largest number. I'll print it out. Okay, this largest number. And here one warning message is coming to close this scanner class object. So I'll just write down scanner.close. That's it. That's it, guys. Okay, the program is done. So when you run the program, you'll understand that how it is working. Okay, right click, run as Java application. enter the number of numbers. How many numbers you want to enter? Let's say I would like to enter 5 numbers. Now enter the 5 numbers. It's saying enter 5 numbers. It's saying I'll give the numbers. Let's say 9. I'll give some number. Let's say 15, 3. I'll give some number. Let's say 8. Okay, the last number, guys. Last number I have to give. So I'll give this number as 25 or 26. Otherwise 26. These are the 5 numbers I am entering, guys. In this 9, 15, 3, 8, 26, which is the largest number? 26. Largest number entered by the user is 26 is getting printed with the help of this logic. Here, when I am comparing the number given by the user with the largest number variable, initially we have assigned a minimum value to this largest number. And if the user enters a particular number that becomes greater than, which is greater than that largest number, we'll assign that number to the largest number. And finally, after all the iterations are done, after checking each and every number entered by the user with that largest possible number, okay, number and largest number, okay, finally, this logic will result in holding the largest number out of all the numbers that got entered by the user. Out of all these numbers entered by the user, the largest number got printed, okay. We can run it again, guys, okay. We can run with different examples to see whether this is working. Again, I'll say, 7 numbers this time. I'll give the numbers as, let's say 25, 12, 9, 16, 33, 11, 4. I think 7 numbers completed, na? Press enter. Largest number entered by the user is 33. Somewhere here, 33 is the largest. Out of all these numbers, we can clearly state that 33 is the largest. This program is working perfectly fine. So if you want to get the code for this particular thing, guys, okay, I'll share the code details, okay, in the description of this particular video. You can check there, okay. I'll give you the code video, okay, code related stuff, or you can take a screenshot of this in the session itself, okay, and you can try it on your machine. It's not that much big code where I have to share it. I'll try to share. If not, you can take a screenshot of this and try it on your machine. But it's a very simple program to find out the largest number, okay, in Java programs. So hope, guys, you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.